बारंबार प्रणाम है। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे।
गिरिधारी जीव की
जय।
श्री श्री गुरु गौरांग श्री श्री राधा मदन मोहन पंचतत्वात्मक श्री गौर हरि की
जय।
श्री श्री गुरु गौरांग श्री श्री राधा गोविंद जीव की
जय।
श्री श्री राधा गोपीनाथ जीव की
जय।
जय श्री गौर नित्यानंद जीव की
जय।
जय नित्य लीला प्रविष्ट ओम विष्णु का अष्टोत्तर शतसी श्रीमद् भक्ति दैत मात
जय पतित पावन परम गुरुनाम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर श्री श्रीमद् भक्ति वल्लभ तीर्थ गोस्वामी महाराज की
जय।
गौर प्रेमानंद।
Siddhasta Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has clearly taught us, without any doubt, what should be our ultimate end. No dhanam, no janam, no sundarim, kavitam, va jagadisha kam. Mama janmani janmani shari bhavatad bhakti rahiti diktai. We should not worship Krishna for getting wealth. He is prohibiting. No, isn't that good? No dhanam, no janam, to increase manpower, to get wife, children. Don't want this. And to get learning, education, worldly learning, and also meaning to get emancipation, salvation. Only one-pointed exclusive devotion. He is in his own writing, directly. If you want something in your heart and say something in your mouth, you will not get the result. By words we say many things, but inside you are thinking, money should come. Then what will we get? Dhruva, in his previous birth also he was devotee. But he was born in a Brahmin family. And his parents, his father was very poor. But he was doing Harinam. At that time, he got one classmate, friend, very rich person's son. With their classmate he used to go to their house, big building, so much money. By seeing that he doing Harinam, why would there be the son of a rich person? And I would have been happy. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. Ram, Ram, Hare Hare. Harinam. He was doing Harinam. But he was thinking. Next birth, he became the son of Uttanvad, King Uttan. You will find picture evidence for this. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu warned, while doing Harinam, don't think anything else. But Chaitanya has shown the path. It is very difficult to make our mind elevated to that stage. Even in Bhagavad it is saying. In Bhagavad you will find There are countless number of individual souls. You cannot count the dust or particles of the sand. Can you count? So you cannot count the spirit souls here in this world, infinite Brahmandas. We are one of them. So that spirit soul is existing in us. So many. In every body that spirit soul is there. And amongst them, you will find very few people, human beings, they want eternal welfare. There are so many species. Of them, the human species is less than other species. And the human species, I have got this nightclub for that. This chadar. This is chadar to cover the body, nightclub. This is to equal chadar. What do you say? Chadar?
Yeah, God is from India.
There is no English word.
No equivalent.
So, you also in French language, chadar.
Shal.
Shal is one.
Shawl.
One cloth is shal.
Like
This is the light. There is cold countries. We got this chadar. Now, amongst the persons who want eternal welfare, very few people can have the desire to get salvation. All do not desire to get that salvation. And those who desire very earnest to get salvation, seldom you will find that you have got emancipated state, emancipation. Amongst crores of emancipated and realized souls, you will find one Narayan Paran Bhakta. In Bhagavad, Muktanami Siddhanam Narayana Paran. Suduroshantatma Kotishravi Mahavade. Amongst these realized and emancipated souls, those who take absolute shelter to Narayan, those who have a one-pointed devotion to Narayan, seldom to be found. And it is bhakta of the devotee of Krishna is further less than Narayan Bhakta. How we can get it? Chaitanya Charitamrita. You remember? Brahmanda Bhaliya Ananta Jeev Gan. 84 lakh jodite karaye Brahman in Rupa Goswami, Upashikha. Infinite number of living beings are moving in this world. Oh, throughout this Brahmanda, 14 worlds. Ananta Jeev Gan. 84 lakh jodite karaye are passing through 84 lakhs of species. 84 lakh jodi. And there Kaviraj Goswami has written, of these living beings, there are broad division. Sthava, Janga. Understand? Immobile and mobile. Sthava means these trees, mountains. They cannot move. Those who can move, they are better than those creatures who cannot move. These are also life. Sthavar, Jangam, immobile and mobile. And amongst these two kinds of living beings, Jangam are superior to Sthapar. Sthapar means immobile. And amongst Jangam, those who move, you will find birds fly in the sky, aquatic animals in the water, and terrestrials moving on the land. Now minimizing, and amongst these three, terrestrial elements are superior to move on the land. And amongst the terrestrial elements, very few will find human beings. In your own house you will find ants, crores of ants, but only 2 or 3 human beings. Insects, so many, mosquitoes. Number very less. তার মধ্যে মনুষ্য জাতি অতি অল্পতর, তার মধ্যে ম্লেচ্ছ পুলিন্দ বৌদ্ধ সমাজ। And amongst the human beings, there are groups who do not believe in God. Believe the existence of God and they do not worship God. And there are others who believe but do not know how to worship. They have got no knowledge. And there is no guide to teach them in this respect. They are groping in the darkness. They do not know the way. They may have some sort of belief. What is God? What I am? What relation? They have no knowledge. And nobody is there to help them. Let's put in the Bauddha Shabad. Vedanishta madhya ardhek Veda mukhavani. Those who accept the teachings of Narayan, Veda Narayan Sakshat, Veda is the teachings of Narayan. You will find in words we have seen that, we accept it. But if you ask them what is the teaching, they will see better. And by words we are Vedic. What is the teaching of Vedic? Nothing. In India also. In words they say, we know. Never seen Vedas. Ved mukhe bhani. Ved nishiddha paap kore dharma nahi gani. They are doing sins that are prohibited by the Vedas. And they say, we know. We have got, we honor Vedas. But we are doing just, they are doing just the opposite. It is prohibited by Vedas. Veda nishiddha paap kore dharma nahi gani. Dharmachari madhye adhika karmanishta. Are those who have accepted the teachings of the Vedas, but they are mostly, you will find, karmanishta. You want mundane benefits in this world and after death in the higher world, in this mundane plane, here and hereafter. Number will find mostly karmanishta. Koti karmanishta madhya jnani srashta. Amongst those who are karmanishta, who are doing karma, actions and sacrifice, etc. for mundane benefits, crores of such karma, you will find one jnani. Those who do not want this, they want emancipation, temporary benefit. Koti jnani madhye হয় এক মুক্ত. There are Koti jnanis, they are performing penance, but real estate, emancipation state, seldom, only one man can quote after that, amongst crores of jnanis. Koti mukta madhye durlabha Krishna bhakta. Crores of emancipated beings, you will find one Krishna bhakta. You have to accept their teachings. Srimad Bhagavatam and in Chaitanya Charitamrita, etc. How can you get that Krishna? Is it possible? Then Rupa Sikha. ব্রহ্মাণ্ড ভ্রমিত করো ভাগ্যবান জি, গুরু কৃষ্ণ প্রসাদে পায় ভক্তি লতা জি। মালি হইয়া সেই বীজ করে আরোপণ, শ্রবণ কীর্তন জলে করে এসে। Mahaprabhu, he is giving teachings to Rupa Goswami, Allahabad, prayer. Yes, it is seldom to be found, but a enslaved jiva, a human being, can get it. How? By roaming, by traveling, by moving in this world of 14 worlds. One who is fortunate, he has got previous good deeds, eternal good deeds, like that. By that impressions accumulated, knowingly and unknowingly, if that person has served Krishna and is devoted, it is called impressions, eternal good impression of eternal good deeds. Then, by the grace of Guru and by the grace of Krishna, he can get the Bhakti Kripa, seed of Bhakti Kripa. Because Bhakti is compared to Kripa, Kripa cannot stand without any Uradari help. He requires a free something to climb up. He cannot stand without any support. There should be some support. So bhakti, without the support, without the object of worship, bhakti cannot stand. There should be an object of worship. But that is Bhakti Lata Beej, that Kripa will go on, will cross this mundane plane, universe, or material universe. Go to Biroja, then there he will not get. Go to Brahmadan, no. Go to Vaikuntha, then Bhakti Lata gets Narayan as object of worship, but not complete, half. With 2.5 rasas. Shanta, Dasya and Shakha, majestic aspect of Shakha. Restricted Shakha. But when cross that Parabham and Goloka Vrindavan, then Bhakti gets Krishna. Where it is sphere, everything. 360 degrees. Now, Guru Krishna Prasade Pai Bhakti Lata Beej. By the grace of Guru and by the grace of Krishna. By the grace of Guru, he will get Krishna. By the grace of Krishna, he will get Guru. You will find in India one Mahatma Tulsidas. He has said, Bina Hari Kripa Nahi Mile Santa. Without the grace of Hari, nobody can get Santa. A association of pure Santa. And when he will get the association of pure Santa, he will get Krishna. There are very intimate connection between them. First, you will get the grace of Krishna. By the grace, you can get a devotee. By the grace of devotee, you can get Krishna. Both are one in different manifestations. You will find in Srimad Bhagavat. In Srimad Bhagavat, you have heard the name of Prachin Bodhi. Prachin Bodhi. He has got 10 sons by the name of Pracheta. As per desire, of their father. They performed penance under the ocean for 10,000 years. Can you remain for 5 minutes? The best one has told, has spoken lie. Is it so? It's impossible. Those 10,000, 10 Pracheta, they perform worship under the ocean for 10,000 years. After performing penance for 10,000 years, they came out. And by that penance, they have got the desire to worship Holi. Because in every penance, ultimate result, fruit you can get by the grace of God. And by performing that penance, they have got the knowledge the Hori is the only Supreme Lord. So why should we not worship Hori? Again they went into the ocean and performed 1,000 years worship of Hori. After that they came out and they have become sanctified, although they have not got the Hori. And they are in search of how we can get Hori. And they are moving in the jungles, not like this dense jungle, where all kinds of ferocious animals are. Rhinoceros, tigers, lions, not like this. You can move easily. But they are, the road cannot move. But they are moving in the jungle. In jungle they are moving. They have heard a sweet sound. Astonished. From the sound has come. That all no human beings are, oh ferocious animals. Who is making that sound? Sound is very sweet. Tun, tun, dun, 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 dun. We are attracted by the sound. By hearing the sound, approaching, and it is begin more sound is become more and more attractive. What is this? They were astonished. And they came near a lake, Sarovar, very beautiful Sarovar. And from that Sarovar, that sound is coming. Afterwards, all of a sudden, Mahadev appeared. And that hour, that sweet sound is coming. By seeing the prostrate and prayed for his grace. Mahadev also Vaishnava. Mahadev said, yes, I am very glad. I am very glad, very encouraged, very to see all these Vaishnavas. You are Vaishnavas, then Vaishnavas. When I see Vaishnava, I have become very much satisfied. You hear from me. I am praying. I am submitting my prayer to Narayan. You hear it and do this, you will get everything. You hear it. I started praying Narayan. Once only. Every verse once, twice, not twice. And they are hearing. After completing the hymn, the prayer to Narayan, he said, the word, do it, you will get it. But how they have remembered all this? By their own penance and by the grace of Guru. Guru had appeared and gave them to take it. And they did that prayer and get the answer. Now I cannot go on speaking because I want to go. If you go on speaking, everything will be disturbed. At 3, at 2:30, you have to start. And you are taking my food for taking it to 2:30. The grace of Guru, bona fide Guru, Shuddha Bhakta, and grace of Krishna. By the grace of Krishna you can get the grace of Guru. By the grace of Guru you can. Now we are not to do Harinam, but to eat them. Then we have to go at 2:30.
Only smoke. Hare Nama Krishna Yadavaya Nama.
Hare Nama Krishna Yadavaya Nama. only that.
Not sure. But they say,
Got this?
but they say this Arjun Prabhu, he is having house near the aerodrome.
Yes.
Amsterdam. So by the time I will stay there.
Very close.
Very close to there.
No, on which day this one?
Yes, we have been informed.
23rd. 23rd.
23rd will arrive.